Okay, so you can see in front of me I have some um, paper ready to go, but before I start rolling those, I'm going to dip one round and cut it in half and leave it there for it to soften while I roll these two here. So what you do is take about one tablespoon of fillings, put it on one of the halves, kind of mold into kind of a cylindrical shape, fold one end over, fold the other end over, and you notice that the side is kind of like angled towards each other, and you want to kind of form it into kind of a cylinder shape before you roll it up, and then when you start rolling it will keep the shape. So basically that's how you do that. So now I go on to the other half. Again, take another about a tablespoon of filling or so and form it into a cylinder. Fold one end over, fold the other end over. Again, you notice the side angles in a little bit. So now form it into a cylinder and then roll. And there's another one. So these two are soft by now. And again, before I roll these two, I want to dip the next one so it will soften by the time I'm done with these two. Okay, so you may be wondering what the point of angling the sides of the wrapper in a little bit. The reason is if you don't angle them in, when you roll them up, there will be a little bit of extra wrapping on the end and it doesn't look quite as neat. If you angle them in a little bit, when you roll them up, the ends will be kind of will kind of be tucked in, so it will look a lot nicer. Okay, so we have one completed one here, and you will notice that one side have a couple more layers and the other side have just one layer. So when you put it down, you want to put the side with more layers down, and that is because any moisture in the filling will tend to seep downwards. And if you have the side with a single layer on the underside, it will soak up a lot of the moisture and it will tend to break more when you fry it.